Hello, in this video I demonstrate how to create an Excel table using 3 different methods. Right, so what is an Excel table? It is a structured data organization tool that can actually be used within Excel, and it actually allows us to use to use the data that is within our spreadsheet much more efficiently, and also gives us the flexibility for us to sort the data a little bit easier, filter the data a lot easier, and also general formatting of the data as well. Right, and the other cool thing about it is that it expands the columns large enough. Once we've converted or we've activated the table, it expands the columns large enough to accommodate any data that may be in those specific columns, right, which is a very handy way of actually handling our data. Right, so method number 1. So the method number 1 is we go to insert, and under insert you'll see that there is table. Click on table, and it gives you a dialog box that shows that everything is actually being selected in this particular data set because our pointer is inside that data range. Okay, so it's important to make sure that we are in there. Then we go ahead and OK, and the table is actually being activated. Okay, that's method number 1. Then we can undo that so that we can move on to the next one. The next method, we can actually use the format as table function. So we click on that, and then we can select any table format that we want, and again it activates the dialog box. Okay, and it creates the table for us. Okay, then final method. The final method, you actually use your keyboard. So it's Control T, right? So Control T for table, right? And then you say OK, and again it creates the table for us. Okay, so I can undo this so that I can just go through this again one more time, but quickly. Insert, table, and OK, creates the table for us. We can undo that, and then we can use format, table. We can choose any table format that we want there, and it activates the dialog box for create table, and again it creates the table for us. And then finally we use our keyboard, Control T, and OK, and automatically adapts the table style, which is the default table style for creating any table anyway. Whereas the second method, we're actually able to select the one that we actually preferred. But in any case, you can still change the table format, the table style rather, by selecting the table styles option that's actually available here. So you can choose any, and usually you can hover your pointer on any one of them so that you can see how it looks there, and you feel like the one that gives you the good visual experience, that's the one you can actually settle for. All right, otherwise that's all I have for you. I hope you'll find this tip very, very helpful, just in case you wanted to use the keyboard or you just wanted to use 2 other methods to create your table. Otherwise, that's all I have for you. Thank you so much for watching. Again, like the video, share the video, and be sure to subscribe. Thank you, and bye for now.